Hi, this is Michelle Manriquez from Drop That Brush, and I want to help people who are non-artists become artists. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Today, we're doing Schmincke's Brilliant Red Violet. The pigment is called, and I can't even pronounce it, so we'll just try, just for fun of it, Tricarbidom? Not even close. PV 55. This is a single pigment, good light fast, semi-transparent, semi-staining. You cannot mix this. At least that's what it says. So let's see. This is one of those that I don't have on my palette, but I've wanted to check out for a while, and it gives me opportunity to do this, which I just love. Okay, I put it in pan recently, and it is sticky. Look at that. I got chowder, which is what I was looking for. Ooh, that's quite pretty. We'll see if we can lift out it. Now it says semi-transparent, but sometimes it's not bad. It just depends, or sometimes it's much worse than you think. So we will see. Interesting color. It definitely is violet, but it definitely is towards the red. There's no doubt. This is a pretty color. Let's get a tea, which is always the easiest because I use lots of water. You know, it has quite a bit of, look, I mean, it's very nice. Okay, tea strength it is. Ooh, I'm not even sure that's tea. There's a lot of pigment in this. I mean, a lot of pigment, which kind of surprised me. I didn't expect that much pigment. The glaze, and glaze, of course, will be really light. Okay, we'll let that dry. The water. Gorgeous color. So far, I'm liking the color. It's beautiful. Because this is a violet, when I use the yellows, it should dull it down dramatically. So let's go with Azo Yellow, which is my favorite right now. But you could do lemon yellow. There's many different kinds. We're just going to take a little bit. And it came right on down to a nice, interesting kind of dull brown. So those aren't awful colors. They're okay. Nothing I'm, dying to must have. So let's do a blend on the paper. Get juicy, 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 because I do want it to actually move. You notice I'm still doing very light. I don't want it to be really dark because it will overshadow. I definitely could have put that tea a little lighter yet. It had, and I kept adding water and it didn't just do anything. Oh, look at this. This is pretty. So I'm getting it pretty thick. Funny, huh? That's not awful. Oh, I do like that. All right, let's see what it goes when we go their way. This is not a bad mixing color, and I'm kind of surprised. I got a funny feeling I didn't mix those careful. Look at how pretty that is. That is just gorgeous. I'm making sure that it's juicy so that it will move. I'm going to move that a little bit. That is, that's really nice. And again, I don't think I would ever mix it with this, but if it was just on the paper, that's pretty nice. I like it. I like it like that. All right, for our warm red, maybe we're gonna do coral. Just check it out. I could have used Cad Red. I could have used, both of them will probably be similar. Ooh, pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Didn't make a change on that side, but boy, over there, that was nice. Okay, love this. That is an amazing mix. I would definitely, wouldn't that be pretty in flowers? All right, it kind of shoved over pretty good. Can you guys see it just shoved over nicely? Look at that. Oh, wouldn't that be a gorgeous background? I expect the reds are gonna look, or the pinky reds are gonna look really nice because it's more in the pinky tone. However, I think I'm gonna use is Opera. Yeah, it's so pretty. So we're just going to take a little scoop. And all of a sudden it became a little bit more. Oh, isn't that interesting? It certainly gives it a little pop, doesn't it? That really pops. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And this is just an amazing, beautiful colors. Doesn't move as much. This was interesting. It definitely calmed it down. What I'm noticing as it dries, it's not as vibrant. See, this will stay vibrant because it's just a fluorescent color. But this calms it down, but this is an interesting, odd color. Our warm blue. I introduced you last week to, oh boy, how do you say the name? Anthraquinone last week. I'm really going to check that out because I'm curious. I'm going to do it light. I'm probably not going to be too creamy. I'll probably be more milk, but I want to see what this looks like. Now I'm really curious. Not as pretty, but I was just curious. And our cool blue, I don't know, what do you think? I'm thinking I'm going to do something odd for that. See, anything cool could be, let's check it out. Here's some thoughts. I could use the normal, which would be phthalo blue green shade. I could do Dawn's turquoise, or I could use phthalo blue turquoise. I think I'm going to go for that, just for the fun of it. Thinking maybe it's going to really, I'm not sure. We're going to find out because I'm just curious. Ooh, I forgot to do got excited. Hang on. Move it a little bit just to see what it does. You know, if you don't move it, you can't see it very much. Okay, it definitely is a beautiful color mixed. Most of this, this is even a pretty color mixed. So there's no doubt that we are good. This is a good mixing color. Let's see what's I'm more curious than anything. Some of this is just for my curiosity because, you know, it is fun and exciting to enjoy and play with my colors. Now, I really am not sure what this is going to do. Reasonably thick because that's a very bossy color. Kind of looks like that color, huh? See what it dries, what it looks like. I didn't mix it up on the. Problem is I don't really mix. Oh, that's kind of a cool color. I thought maybe it would be really ugly, but it's really not bad. Phthalo Turquoise is a bossy color, and so I will be, otherwise I'm scared it will be just overtake it totally. This actually may be quite nice, and I wouldn't have expected that. Semi-transparent. There's a little bit, because right here you see the line, and over here you really see the... Let's see what happens when I try to lift. I'm expecting it to be hard, because, or at least reasonably hard. Oh, do you love that? Oh, I gotta wait till it dries, but boy, I'm loving that. All right. Ooh, I lie. That's coming right back up. All right, I would say that's low staining. Look at that. I don't care what they say. Look at that. It came right on up. I think I'm going to find a place for this in my... Just because I was curious, I'm going to do one more. Just look at how pretty that looks. That glazes beautifully. You know, sometimes I just want to do it because it's fun. Do you have any questions? What did you think? I'm checking what I actually have of my purples. The only thing that's even close to this is American Journey's Violet Rose, but it's much more pink. I have Ultramarine, Rose Ultramarine, Daniel Smith's. This is similar, not as vibrant, but this is granulating and it does interesting things. This is non-granulating. So this is something that I'm going to put in my palette. I think it's going to go right there. I've looked at this cobalt violet versus dioxazine purple. I just don't think I can take this cobalt and purple and get the same color. This, I don't think I could make myself. And that's what it says. This can't be mixed. So I'm switching this over. I really love this. So, you know, when you don't know what you're doing and you just playing with your brush, drop that brush, like, subscribe, and ring that bell. You have a wonderful day. Bye.